Hey guys, just quick video here. Having some problems with my truck, and I've been having this problem for some good time. They came at least 6 times, 7 times. They checked it, been at service and so on, and it's still not fixed. So I'm waiting now. They're gonna come again to see what's gonna happen. It's bad. I'll let you hear the sounds. It has some electric problems. Check this out. You can hear it. This is in the dark. And I'm standing right now. Nothing is on. It was the heating on this so this is what it usually does when I'm driving, and cuts off power and all sorts of things. I mean, short video. I'm standing and this is what you can hear. On the dash. Usually this is what's the sound when I'm on driving and cuts off power and electric issues comes on. This is the sound. So it's crazy. Let's see if I start it up. Starting. Fuse, K14. That was a relay 14, K14. It was K14 and K20. You can see it now. It's not starting. Yeah, it's dead. I hope it starts. No. No power, nothing. It does nothing. K11 1420 now. Crazy. No start. Oh man, this is crazy.